The last class of uh, the derivatives of hydrocarbons that we are going to study is the carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are organic compounds that have a carboxylic group in their structure. What is a carboxylic group? The carboxylic group looks like this. The carboxylic group is attached to uh, organic compounds from this carbon atom. For example, if we have methane here, we can replace one of the hydrogen atoms by the carboxylic group. We can replace this hydrogen atom by the carboxylic group and it becomes like this. This is a carboxylic group attached to the methyl group. So the name of this compound is methanoic acid. We will discuss the system of naming for organic compounds in our later lessons. Let's talk about the structure of these compounds. So let's take the example of formic acid for understanding the structure of carbonyl compounds. If a hydrogen atom is attached here, this compound will be called formic acid. This is the formic acid. So let's try to understand the structure of formic acid. This carbon here is sp2 hybridized. Now what is an sp2 hybridized orbital? You already know that carbon atom has got 6 electrons, so they can be arranged like this. This is the electronic configuration of ground state carbon atom. It is possible that one electron from the 2s is excited and it is promoted to the 2pz orbital. So we can have excited state configuration which looks like 2s1 here, and 2px, 2py, and 2pz. Now these 4 orbitals will hybridize with each other and they will give rise to this. And 4 same energy orbitals called the sp3 hybridized orbitals. But if 3 orbitals from here take part in hybridization, then we will have this 1s2 3 sp2 orbitals, each with 1 electron, and 1 unhybridized 2pz orbital. So we have this hybridization of carbon atom in the carboxylic acids. Okay, as you know that in sp2 hybridization the carbon atoms are arranged in the form of a triangle. They have an angle of 120 degrees. So they will arrange themselves, okay, and you will have the carbon atom here. The carbon atom will form one bond with oxygen here. It will form another bond with another oxygen, and then it has a hydrogen atom here. For example, we have this. There will be a bond, there is another oxygen, and there is one more oxygen. So let me show it this way. Let me show it this way, okay? I'm sorry. Yes. Let me show it here. This is what the structure of these compounds look like. It is a planar structure. All the atoms lie in the same plane. Carbon-oxygen bonds are shorter and the bond angle is close to 120 degrees. Okay, so the hybridization is sp2. That is why the bond angles are 120 degrees. I think this much is enough. We will discuss more compounds in later chapters.